Good day, this is Winson Baring, F1 Industry Elective 1 Activity 2 Color Sequence Game. This is my sample output. I will try to predict the game incorrectly, and then as you can see, if the game will get mistaken, it will reset the game, and it gives you an alert message, game over and try again. So I will try to predict the correct match of the color. As you can see, if you did not guess the correct color, then you would need to reset the game again. So as you can see, I have guessed the correct input of colors, accuracy of colors, and this is the last one, the color green. The first one was this one, and you receive a good job alert here. Then after that one, if you reset the game, it will set it back to no sequence of color, and then if you wanted to start a new game with a new sequence of color, then you need to reset the browser. And then for my code here, this is my code. First is that I use a generated sequence here. I initially loaded that one during the render of the page here, and then the generate sequence here will generate a random sequence of color. This is the correct sequence of color, and then it will sequence that one here. It will set the use state here, the new sequence, and this is the button of our colors here, and it will set the button new color to our new color variable, and then set that one here. So what will happen here, this is our handle click event, which I will explain later. The first is we have mapped our sequence, our correct color sequence here. Then after we map the sequence, we then map our buttons, which if you will click the specific button in that specific index, because as you can see here, there's index and color. If the specific index includes that color, which is in our user output, it will display, it will change the color, and it will do the logic here. But if not, then the color would be color gray. But this is how we handle our color. If not, game over, which we handle this one here in the game over here. When we click the button, disable game over, you would be able to our handle click event will check if the index, which we use with our use state effect, use state, the initial value 0. When the index is correct, it will put our sequence index. This is just the color value, and then it will input that one in the user, and then if not, then it will refresh all the page here. So that is the basic explanation for my code.